At Janet Davis Cleaners, we do much more than give your shirts the perfect clean. We go the extra mile to perfectly prepare your button-downs so they're ready to be worn for your special event or to go about your day in style. Family owned and operated since 1938, Janet Davis Cleaners has excelled in providing a trusted, superior cleaning service for our community. When it comes to your shirts, we start by providing odor-free, environmentally friendly cleaning, expert spot removal service, and an intact button guarantee. Our automated shirt finishing system steams and presses your clothes, giving you the perfect lines and ensuring they're ready to wear no matter what's in store for you today. And our garment management system keeps track of all your clothing, so you can easily collect your items and be on your way. With this attention to detail, it's no wonder we're proud members of the Dry Cleaning and Laundry Institute and the Michigan Cleaning Association. Delivery is available throughout the Metro Detroit area, or stop by our store on iconic Woodward Avenue in Berkley. For a shirt cleaning service that goes above and beyond, the answer is Janet Davis Cleaners.